Hello everyone, welcome to EduDose. Today let's learn about Formulation 4.0, Pharma 4.0, and Pharma 5.0 through real-world cases and stories. Instead of just definitions, we'll step into situations where these concepts come alive. Meet Dr. Meera, a formulation scientist. She has been working on a poorly soluble drug for months. Every week, 10-12 batches are made, and most of them fail stability or dissolution tests. Time, money, and patience are wasted. But then she adopts Formulation 4.0 tools. Instead of trial and error, she uses AI-driven predictive modeling. For example, a Pune-based company, Geinforce Pvt Limited, created a platform called FormulationAI. It uses advanced algorithms to suggest the right excipient combinations, predict stability, and design optimized formulations digitally before making them in the lab. With such tools, Dr. Meera reduces her failures drastically. Within 2 attempts, she gets a stable, bioavailable formulation. Lesson: Formulation 4.0 is about using AI, data, and digital twins to design better formulations with fewer failures. Now, let's shift from lab to factory. Imagine a plant manager, Mr. Arjun. In his old facility, every deviation, like a temperature drift or mixing error, was caught days later during QC, causing costly rejections. But in a Pharma 4.0 factory, IoT sensors monitor every step in real time. AI predicts equipment failure before it happens. Regulatory authorities can see live data. Instead of firefighting after errors, issues are prevented. Lesson: Pharma 4.0 makes manufacturing smart, connected, and compliant in real time. Now picture this: an 8-year-old girl with epilepsy. She doesn't respond well to standard doses. In the future of Pharma 5.0, doctors analyze her genome, and a 3D printer makes a tablet just for her. Exact dose, exact release pattern. Her medicine is not just effective, but also made with eco-friendly processes, reducing environmental impact. This is Pharma 5.0, technology plus sustainability plus patient-centric care. Lesson: Pharma 5.0 is not only digital but also human-focused, personalized, ethical, and green. So let's summarize. Formulation 4.0, smart product design with AI, platforms like FormulationAI from Geinforce, Pune. Pharma 4.0, smart factories with digital integration. Pharma 5.0, smart healthcare with patient at the center. The future pharmacist must know excipients, pharmacology, and also data science, AI, and digital ecosystems. Thank you for watching EduDose. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share.
This breakthrough innovation integrates artificial intelligence with pharmaceutical sciences to predict, design, and optimize formulations.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.